Running late. Today is supposed to be a staff day at work where we take time to go somewhere and have fun, have food, games. And I think this is supposed to be a place in Saratoga. I was checking out this place in the summer. I mean, that is the reason why I'm so excited about today. And I added it to my bucket list and said, okay, I would come here in the future. And then boom, one fall begins, we get this newsletter about staff day and where we're going to be going, and it happens to be this place. So I'm just going to take you to this place in Saratoga. If you want to know, you should stick and stay with me. I'm just going to show you quickly what I will be wearing and we just get out of here. Okay, let's do this. So I usually use this band to just get them leg edges. I just use this band to get them edges laid, you know. If you wear frontal wigs, you know what I'm talking about. Even though this is supposed to be a glueless and it is easy to handle, I would always try and use some adhesion. This is a got to be glued. It has the number 1 side and it has a number 2 side. Each of them has what it does. So I usually use this just for a lighter hold that I could take off when I get home and then just relax. So this is me just trying to make sure my edges are laid by the time I finish getting ready. So let's do this. Let's get right into it, okay? So then I'm just going to wear pants and a white top, and I will, like a shirt top thing, and I will have like a little jacket on the side for if it becomes cold or not. Right now it's supposed to be fall or autumn, but for some reason we still have some sunshine. So I would go where I'm going prepared in case I need to cover up. So then I got this 1822 denim from TJ Maxx, and I usually wear like a size 5, but this is a size 6. I think that was what I was supposed to get because then I didn't find 5 for some reason. I think they just had the sizes in even numbers. So then I just really got this high-rise white leg pants 1822 denim from TJ Maxx. I love shopping at TJ Maxx because then you don't have to break the bank and you find great deals. You get quality stuff at affordable prices. So then it's just this white leg pants. I feel like I'm one of those people that doesn't like skinny pants at all. I mean, I don't care for it. So then I want this delicious pants. I think it looks good. This Malid essential top. This is an extra small, still from TJ Maxx, and you won't believe how much I got this for. It's just $10 for the price tag. Can you see? $10. TJ Maxx. Affordable luxury. If you're not shopping at TJ Maxx, where are you shopping? If you're not shopping at TJ Maxx, where do you go? If you don't have TJ Maxx where you are, there should be something. So then, this is me. I just couldn't put my facial corrector on just because this is white and I wanted to get it. I wanted to wear this t-shirt before I attempted to do anything on my face so that I don't get it looking bad. Get my necklace that I wear every day. It's an everyday, but I don't take showers with it, so I always take it off just to preserve it. I need it to be worn for such a very long time to get value for my money. So this is me on it. The annoying part is to get this in. Okay, my shirt. how it looks. I just do this. It's also my lead jacket. It's small. It's very affordable. Heavy, good stuff. For when I need it. It's already chill in here, so I can pretend that the weather just changed all suddenly. So okay, my footwear to go to match it. Okay, so this. Okay, just wearing that watch. Okay, I am almost there. Need to grab my socks. Challenge. I'm just gonna wear this. Able to do this. Able to do this. And then pick up my shoes and wear them. If you'll be able to do that, then that's good. Try your other leg. Also, stand on business. Make sure you get it done. Okay. Ready? Ready. Ready? 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 Okay, I'm just gonna take this off for a minute. Just get my face corrected. Just make sure my face is looking okay. So I use my Westmore Beauty Instantly Flawless Foundation, and that is all I really use for my everyday normal working day, kicking around. So I just don't overdo it. I just use a little bit of this and it goes a long way. Okay, I don't do anything else at all, to be honest. I'm not trying to overdo it. On a normal day, if I have a photo shoot, I have like a makeup artist that goes into the nitty-gritty of foundation, concealer. Maybe in future I'll learn how to do my makeup, but for now I just use my flawless foundation on my own. My makeup artist will do the rest when I need her to do it. So this is what I will just do. Put a little on my face. Try and correct them areas. I usually use this flawless instant foundation to just correct some of the dark flaws on my face, just keep it looking okay. I'm not really doing makeup for real, just a little kiki here and there, just to keep me going in the day. That's it all, really, nothing much. Okay, I think I am all good here. Just gonna take this off and just use my brush a little bit. Make sure it doesn't look the most flawless, but I manage. I try to make it work. Okay. So then, for my everyday perfume, I use the Dolce & Gabbana. This is the Queen edition. Okay, there's a King one, but I use the Queen one for I am a queen. Yay! Okay, so use that. That. Use a little bit of my armpit. Okay. I smell fresh and clean. Ready to go. Let's go. Okay, now to complete this look, I just have my waist bag here, just so I keep my keys and everything, because I don't want to finish having fun and then I can't find something. And that is typical of me. I just will leave something behind, okay? So I just don't want any stories, any super stories, any this and that. What I could, I should, I no, where was I? No replaying in my head 40 times. So just have this waist bag here to just help me. My keys and whatever I will need. Stay tuned. Let's go. Okay, so this is me on my way. What is a road trip without some karaoke and car vibing here and there? So I usually would like to listen to Robin Thicke's Lead Lines. I had that song on repeat actually, and I jammed to it over and over and over again till I got where I was going. I liken the skyline and all the things that you see on the road when you're traveling to. I'm not seeing exactly what they are all bird lines. So that's why I like to listen to that song when I am on my way. So this is me jamming, and I'm having a field day, not knowing what to expect, but I'm actually energized and ready to have fun. I wish you guys were with me in the car cruising. Oh my goodness. I love me some fun, you know. Yeah. Right now. But the beauty about this is you get to live this dream also, because then I am leaving it. So that's Saratoga Spa State Park, and I'm trying to find where we are at. What's going on? So yeah. He really helped me find.
I did.
What is going on? What has been going on? I'm fashionably late. I feel like I have to cash out on lateness one of these days. Okay. So what's going on?
We did a couple activities. I think we're trying to cook now.
It's time to cook?
Yeah. We're grilling.
We're really grilling stuff?
Yes, they're grilling outside.
Oh boy. I can't find my lip balm. Do you have lip balm? Oh my god.
It's not lip balm, but it's Tex.
Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah, I want that. Yeah. Is it like minty?
Yeah.
Like me some good lip balm. Okay. So then we are roasting stuff, okay? We're just gonna be roasting. I'm gonna take you there. I have told you already, once you're here you can see everything. You don't get to enjoy with me, but you get to see everything, okay? So that works. Alrighty, thank you. So then we're here. We're just going to go around and see what everybody is doing. So this is...
Oh, you have the stabilizer thing?
This is this team, okay? These guys, they will test you. Oh, pick your
No, they will test you, yo.
See, Nikki? She has all the tea on anything that we do in this organization, okay? So if you need tips, you go to her. You go to her, okay? Okay, so I'm just gonna take you around and then you will see what is going on. So then I guess I'll be needing my jacket. Remember how I was contemplating about either I'll need it or not. So I came back to get it. Get back here to get it. It is sunny, but it definitely is breezy, has this chill air with it. So just throwing on that cute jacket so that I will enjoy myself as much. Okay, so this is it. Finally, we got it. Okay, so then see, I'm just curious. I'm just going to turn it ass. I'm walking away from that open field. Really lovely place. It's cool, it's chilly, there's the sun out. There's so much to do here with colleagues from work. And it's so lovely, okay? You have the chance, visit the Saratoga Spa State Park, okay? You would love it. Enjoy. I want raw hair.
Yeah.
I don't want no grade.
No, you want raw hair?
Raw.
So I have to go to a different vendor.
Do you have a different vendor?
Yeah, I have to go to a WhatsApp on it.
This is one of my colleagues
What
from
is
work.
this?
And I just found out that she does hair. Can you imagine if we didn't come out to relax today? I'm giving money to somebody else. And she always looks clean and beautiful. Not knowing she does hair. Now I know. I found out the hard way, right? Now I know.
Let me show you.
She's showing me. She's giving me the plug.
Huh?
She's giving me the plug in the
she's
area.
hilarious.
And I will give you the plug.
Okay, look at my
She-
good skin.
She also brought this stuff.
A clean uni is a happy uni.
This smells really good. And
Cocoa butter. You want to smell like straight from the motherland, like straight from like Gambia, Ghana, Senegal,
Oh my
anywhere
God.
like that.
this
Tap
one.
in. It's a good
Where did you get that from?
white. Target for all my Target people.
Okay, so it's just called the Good Wipes. Okay, so if you're looking
Yes.
for a good plug, Target.
Target.
Okay,
Get that.
I'm just finding out a lot of things today. Okay, I'm just surprised. I'm just surprised.
Going to get some brownies.
Yes. I'm just gonna get another burger. All this food for eating. She's gonna make herself. Back again. Let's look at this. Yes. Very right here. I came around here to get my thing taken, and it was so cool, right? So then this is me roasting some marshmallows in the pit fire. This goes very well with some chocolate and some biscuit crackers. I was just gonna have a little sweet snack on the side. So that's it there. I call this the Uno and Music segment. So then we were just happy, enjoying the competition among work colleagues and seeing how people play games and how happy they can get, and people just giving it to each other on that table. It was fun. I loved it. Guys, I'm just doing a little walk in nature. We had so much fun today, so much activities done. So then it all ends here. This is how beautiful nature is. Preserved, conserved nature is so beautiful. I wish that each one of you will have the chance and the opportunity to visit Saratoga Spa State Park. And I feel like I repeat myself anytime I mention that, but I'm just doing a little walk in nature. It was such a fun field day. Look at, I obtained a star in my outfit, and there's so much activity to do. I was able to find all these things in nature. I so enjoyed myself. It was a good idea that I came. I mean, I haven't regretted coming at all. So it all ends here, and I will encourage you all to find fun activities to do and make it a point. Make sure that you are make it a point that you are recharging your batteries so that you can serve yourself well. Take time out of your busy schedules and do something fun. Do something really interesting. There's so many lovely parks here that I will show you. And yes, this brings me to another street in that park area. Yeah. So then it's all so beautiful, right? Just a little park area where you can come and enjoy with your family or friends. Okay. Here, cause man, you cannot miss. It is beautiful. Nature is beautiful. Look at that still water. Look how still it is. Look how still it is. So beautiful. So beautiful. Okay. See how still it is. How calm. It is nice. Yes. Get out of your everyday routine and find something fun to do. Enjoy the rest of your day till we meet again. Bye.